touch of elegance, sophistication, room or office. Then, durability. Tiles are known for their durability. However, this durability can only be achieved if the tiles are properly installed and maintained. Modern installation can lead to cracks, chips, or loose tiles over time. Hygiene is tiles, especially in the bathroom and kitchen, can become breeding grounds for bacteria and mold if not properly maintained. Regular cleaning and sealing can prevent this. Value for money. Tiles can be with an investment, proper installation and maintenance ensure that you get the most out of your investment by extending the lifespan of the tiles. Then last is safety. Loose or cracked tiles can be a safety hazard as well. Cause trips and falls. Proper installation and regular maintenance will prevent such accidents. Next is so, overview lang ka sa previous nga quarter. Type of tiles, ceramic tiles, porcelain tiles, marble tiles, granite tiles, slate tiles, glass tiles, cement tiles, mosaic tiles, quarry tiles, terracotta tiles, muna yung mga ikot sa mga tiles. Then, tools and materials for laying and repairing wall tiles. Tile cutter. This is used to cut the tiles to the desired size. There are different types of tile cutters, and the type you need will depend on the type of tile you are working in. So, tile cutter. Then notch.
I love it, you know.
This tool is used to spread and hit the surface where the tile will cling. So, ang ginaya gamit sa trowel. Next is grout flute, rubber flute. This is used to apply and spread grout before and between the tiles. So, mag-spread siya. Then, tile spacer. This small plastic piece is not to spread the tiles are evenly spaced. So, mga wide nasa sponge. Topical sponge. These are used to clean excess growth from the surface of the tiles. So, kaya nag-discuss naman ini, basically, this shows in short that the tiles are late, flat, and even. So, ang level is kanang determine niya matutong sila with the tiles of Next. Then rubber mallet. This is used to disinfect the tiles in place. So tugtog niya bumok lang siya rubber mallet. Next is lifting glasses. So it's hard to protect your eyes when cutting tiles. Next is tile nipper. The standard and compound nippers are used to remove small pieces or irregular edges from tile. The rod carbide tips are great for cutting curves or shapes of Then, lifting gear. Don't forget the glasses, caps, and the dust mask. Tiles. Materials is tiles. The main material needed for the project tiles comes in a variety of material sizes and colors. Then tile adhesive. This is used to stick the tiles to the surface. using the adhesive and grout and for cleaning. Then, steps for preparing the surface before leaving tiles and importance of clean and level surface. Then, first is remove all tiles or wall coverings. If you're tiling, you need to remove the old tiles or any wall coverings. This might involve using chisel or scraper. So, makita naman ito ang sa steps. Makita namin yung chart. Next is clean the surface. Use a mild detergent to clean the surface and remove any trace, dust, or other contaminants. Allow the surface to dry completely. So, next is check for damages. Look for any cracks, holes, or other damages in the surface. They should be repaired before you start cleaning. Level the surface. Use a long level to check the flatness of the surface. So, ayan yung level. Next is apply a primer. If you're tiling into a porous surface like plaster or wood, you'll need to apply a primer. This will help the adhesive bond with the surface. Next is lay out your tiles. Before you start tiling, lay out your tiles on the floor to determine the best placement and to make sure you have enough tiles. So, kailangan na mo i-lay out ang atong size. Kung ahanap mo lang at para na next. Next one, start. The importance of a clean and secure surface. Adhesion. Tiles need a clean surface to adhere properly. Any dust, grease, or other contaminants. Then, appearance and legal surface ensures that the tiles stay flat and even. Then, gravity balance stay on the surface and level surface and more likely to see space than excess lighting of crack or cheese. Routing a level surface also makes it easier to apply the even between the tiles. Use tile spacer to ensure even gaps between the tiles or ground. Cut the tiles. Use a tile cutter or a wet saw to cut the tiles to fit the edges of the roof. Always remember to wear safety glasses when cutting tiles. Then next, rub the tiles. After the adhesive has fully dried, usually 24 hours, remove the spacer and apply grout with a rubber foot. Wipe away any disease ground with a damp sponge soap. So, isahin na wala ka, naglay sa tiles. So, gamitan na nyo siya or wala na nyo siya grout. Then, set the grout after the grout has dried. Apply a sealer to protect it from staining and moisture. Next, for achieving a professional finish, use quality materials. Be patient, regular cleaning, proper tools, set the tiles. So, laying wall tiles. Prepare the surface. Ensure that the wall surface is clean, dry, and free from any dust or debris. Then plan your layout, partially as a floor, laying floor tiles kaya na. Apply tile adhesive, place the tiles, then cut the tiles, check for the level and alignment, drop the tiles, clean and seal. First again. Then, techniques for ensuring straight and even tile Ethics, sealing for protection, and last is maintenance. There are instructions on how to work on cement tiles effectively. The first is preparation, second mixing the ground, tying the ground, cleaning, and last is sealing. Maintenance tips is regular cleaning, when cleaning solution, avoid standing water. Next. Avoid scratching while cleaning, avoid harsh chemicals, protective mats or rags. Avoid dragging easy objects, periodic preventive maintenance. That's all.